Hey everyone, welcome to Creative Monies. And listen, I know you're out there grinding, trying to make that bread. Well, today we're talking about something even I get hyped about, making money with free apps. No joke, you can stack some serious cash just by having your phone on you. We're talking about 5 apps, and trust me, some of these are so wild you won't believe they're legal. Let's jump right in. First up, we got Swagbucks. Imagine this, you're sitting on the couch binging your favorite show and you're making money at the same time. That's Swagbucks. This app lets you earn points. They call them Swagbucks by doing simple stuff. We're talking taking surveys, watching videos, even just browsing the web. But here's the kicker. You can cash out those Swagbucks for cold, hard cash through PayPal or get gift cards to your favorite places like Amazon, Target, you name it. We're talking free money, people. Creative Monies has actually used Swagbucks to make some extra cash on the side. It's crazy how much money you can make just by doing things you already do online. And the best part? It's super easy to use. Download the app, sign up, and boom, you're ready to start earning. No catch, no hidden fees, just straight up money-making opportunities. Next up, we're talking about Rakuten, formerly known as Ebities. And let me tell you, this app is a game changer, especially if you love online shopping. Imagine being able to earn money while you shop for the things you love. Sounds too good to be true, right? But with Rakuten, it's a reality. Imagine this. You're about to buy that new pair of shoes you've been eyeing, and Rakuten is like, hold up, let me give you some money back for that. It's like having a personal shopping assistant who also pays you. Seriously. Rakuten gives you cash back for shopping at your favorite stores. Whether it's clothes, electronics, or even groceries, Rakuten has got you covered. The best part? The cash back accumulates quickly, and before you know it, you have a nice little stash of extra cash. All you have to do is shop through the app or website, and boom, you earn a percentage of your purchase back in cash. It's super easy to use, and the interface is user-friendly, making your shopping experience seamless and rewarding. It's like getting paid to shop. Imagine the joy of receiving money for something you were already planning to buy. It's a win-win situation. We're talking big-name stores here, people. From fashion to tech, Rakuten partners with a wide range of retailers to bring you the best deals. Amazon, Walmart, Nike, you name it, Rakuten probably has a cashback deal for it. This means you can shop at your favorite stores and still get money back. And the percentages can be insane, sometimes up to 40% back. Imagine getting almost half of your money back on a purchase. It's like a sale on top of a sale. I mean, come on. Who doesn't love free money? It's an opportunity to save while you spend, making your shopping experience even more enjoyable. Sign up with Creative Money's link down below, and you'll even get a bonus just for joining. It's a no-brainer. Plus, once you start using Rakuten, you'll wonder how you ever shopped without it. So go ahead, give it a try, and start earning while you shop. 3. FOP. Turn your photos into profit. Alright, this next one is for all you photography lovers out there. Whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who loves snapping pictures on your phone, this is for you. FOP is an app that lets you sell your photos online. Imagine turning your hobby into a source of income. It's like having a personal online gallery where people can buy your work. Yep, you heard that right. Those stunning pictures you take on your phone could actually make you money. It's super simple. You don't need any fancy equipment, just your smartphone and a good eye for photography. You just upload your photos to the app, add some tags so people can find them, and then sit back and relax. The tags help categorize your photos, making it easier for potential buyers to discover your work. When someone buys one of your photos, you get paid. And the best part? The process is seamless. You get notifications when your photos are sold, and the money is transferred directly to your account. You can sell the same photo multiple times, so the earning potential is unlimited. Imagine getting paid over and over again for a single photo. It's a great way to create a passive income stream. Think about it. Pictures of your dog, your lunch, or even that beautiful latte art you made this morning. That awesome sunset you saw last night. Those could all be money makers. Every moment you capture has the potential to be sold. FOP even partners with big brands that are always looking for fresh, authentic photos. These brands are constantly in need of new content for their marketing campaigns, so you could even see your work featured in a magazine or advertisement. How cool is that? Imagine the thrill of seeing your photo in a major publication or a popular ad campaign. It's not just about the money, but also the recognition and exposure you get as a photographer. The FOAP community is also a great place to get inspired. You can browse through thousands of photos, see what others are uploading, and get ideas for your next shoot. It's a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for photography. Plus, engaging with the community can help you improve your skills. You can get feedback on your photos, participate in challenges, and even collaborate with other photographers. It's a fantastic way to grow and learn. So if you love taking photos and want to make some extra cash, give FOAP a try. It's easy to use, and who knows, you might just discover a new passion or even a new career path. Happy snapping! 4. TaskRabbit, be your own boss, make bank. Alright, if you're the type of person who loves to stay busy and help others, then TaskRabbit is the app for you. Imagine having the freedom to choose when and where you work, all while making a difference in your community. TaskRabbit offers you the flexibility to turn your spare time into a money-making opportunity. This app connects you with people in your area who need help with all sorts of tasks. Whether it's a quick errand or a more involved project, there's always someone nearby who could use a helping hand. The variety of tasks available means you can always find something that fits your skills and interests. We're talking about anything from assembling furniture to picking up groceries. You could be putting together a new bookshelf one day and delivering groceries the next. The possibilities are endless, and each task is a new opportunity to learn something new and meet interesting people, to even helping someone move. Moving can be a stressful experience, but with TaskRabbit, you can make it easier for someone while earning some extra cash. It's a great way to stay active and make a tangible difference in someone's life. You set your own rates, choose the tasks you want to do, and work on your own schedule. This level of control means you can balance your work with other commitments, whether it's school, another job, or family responsibilities. You have the power to decide how much you want to work and how much you want to earn. It's like being your own boss. Imagine the satisfaction of completing a task and knowing that you did it on your own terms. The sense of accomplishment and independence is unparalleled. You get to be your own CEO, set your own hours, and make some serious cash along the way. The financial rewards can be significant, especially if you dedicate yourself to taking on multiple tasks. Plus, the more tasks you complete, the more your reputation grows, leading to even more opportunities. And the best part? You get to meet new people, help out your community, and get paid for it. It's a win-win situation. Building connections and networking can open doors to new opportunities, both personally and professionally. The relationships you build through TaskRabbit can be just as valuable as the money you earn. Creative Monies has actually used TaskRabbit to find someone to help assemble a desk. The process was straightforward, and it was easy to find a tasker who was not only skilled but also friendly and professional. It was super easy to use, and the tasker was awesome. The experience left Creative Monies impressed with how efficient and user-friendly the app is. If you're looking for a way to make extra money while helping others, TaskRabbit is definitely worth checking out. 5. Sweatcoin, get paid to move. Last but not least, we have Sweatcoin, the app that pays you to stay active. You heard that right. You can literally make money by walking. Here's how it works. The app tracks your steps throughout the day and converts them into Sweatcoins, their digital currency. You can then use those Sweatcoins to buy cool stuff like gadgets, workout gear, even airline tickets. Or you can donate your Sweatcoins to charity and make a difference in the world. I mean, come on, you're already walking every day anyway. Might as well get paid for it, right? It's a great way to motivate yourself to stay active and earn some rewards at the same time. Plus, it's super satisfying to see those Sweatcoins add up. It's like a little game, but instead of virtual points, you're earning real-life rewards. And there you have it. 5 amazing apps that can help you make money without spending a dime. We've got Swagbucks for surveys and videos, Rakuten for cashback on shopping, FOAP for selling your photos, TaskRabbit for being your own boss, and Sweatcoin for getting paid to walk. It's time to start putting that phone to work and let it make you some money. Download these apps, sign up with the links down below, and get ready to start stacking that cash. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel for more awesome money-making tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.